Hey everyone, welcome to the Takara One channel. So my sister is a bridesmaid in my big cousin's wedding, and she needed a quick bridesmaid wedding dress strap alteration. So that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do in today's video. I thought this video would be helpful for anyone who wants or needs to learn how to do a quick strap alteration. It's super easy and super quick. I already tried this dress on my sister and took my safety pins and took in and pinned so that the straps were no longer loose. This dress is from a brand name Habios, I think. Beautiful bridesmaid dress. I love it. All right, so let's get started. So what I'm doing here is taking out my safety pin, and instead of keeping the strap pinned together, I pin one side of the strap to remember where my marking is. And then this is where you're going to turn the strap inside out, so that way you're working and sewing from the inside of the dress and strap. And I'm just flipping, pinning right back to my marked spot, which is the wrong side of the fabric. Once I have that, I'm pinning with a regular sewing pin to hold it in place, and then you're just going to sew with a straight stitch. So I used a length of 2 for my stitches because I didn't want the stitches to be large. You want small stitches. And now you can cut off the excess fabric, but I did not, just in case she decides she wants to sell the dress or get rid of the dress at the original size. She can, so she can just tuck that excess fabric in, and it's not noticeable at all once she wears the dress. So now you just repeat the same steps on the other strap, and I'm going to show you guys once again how I did it so you can nail it and get it down pat. So that's it, you guys. This is what the dress looked like on her. Super beautiful dress, super simple alteration. Let me know if you guys have any questions and I will be happy to help. Also, let me know what other sewing tutorials you guys would like to see from me next. And until next time, I love you guys and I will see you at the top.